Danny down a mile-long mountain. He just took off.
You gonna sit in the back, bro?
It's about halfway down. I can't even see him anymore. He's still going. Goes Vincent Brook.
You got to hold your feet up. You got to steer with your feet, okay, Vince? You do that. You don't want to touch the ground too much, just to steer with them, okay?
Okay.
Brooke, are you in?
Yeah. Rather do my sled.
Danny's still going down there. Here goes Vincent Brook. Crash and burn. Holy shit, look, Danny's still going. That's got to be at least a mile to the bottom down there.